case you're wondering, I'm filming on a heck of old Canon 7D. The first one. So I just filmed me shooting on the Hasselblad X-Pan. And so I can see the images and finish that video, we're gonna do some color development. We got some Kodak, Fujifilm colors. So let's get to processing some color film. White balance is going to be completely off in here, I think, but we'll fix that later. Fix it now. Yeah, so the CS41 from CineStill Film, only 2-bath process, so anything that can save time is great. You know, you want to be doing other things than just developing. So go with this. If you want to save some money, get the powder. They do a liquid form, which is so much easier. Costs a little more. Let's go mix this up. Oh, what you will need, got liter glass. Get 2 of these. I like that these are dark. I don't know if light messes with the solution at all, but maybe. We got developer bath. And the Blix, part A and part B. And of course, directions. So we want 700 millimeters of water. Have permission before you mix this stuff in your kitchen. Clean up that stuff, the Blix will stain. Now that that's done, we need to put those in a pot, get them to temperature 102 or 68. I'm an idiot. The Celsius temperature for the developer is 39, not 68. 39 degrees Celsius for 102 Fahrenheit, developer temp. While that's getting to temperature, we're gonna put the 35 millimeter stuff in a darkroom bag, put it in the canisters for development, and get up that already. You'll need for your development bag, of course, a development tank. This is the Paterson tank. A bottle opener, and this is specific for 35 millimeter film. They do make specific 35 millimeter film openers, but it's basically a bottle opener. And scissors. If you can guess how I use the bottle opener, dink, I'm sure you can figure that out. But you gotta do all of that in the development bag, so you don't see what you're doing at all. Nothing. If that gives you an idea, everything that you'll need will be linked down below. It's almost there. The first step is pre-soak at development temperature. So we're gonna get this up to 102 or 39 Celsius. Alright, right about there for 1 minute. Let's get our timer going. Start. The blessings came in waves and could be felt for days. Agitation? Almost didn't get that word out. Every 30 seconds. Development's almost done. Been 3.5 minutes and 20 seconds. So we'll get this ready to flip back. Alright, Blix. Now your Blix, it's such a weird word. Bleach and fixer is at 8 minutes. Dang. It's just spewing everywhere. The fields are glories now. The fields are glories now. So guide your wild life now. The promise in the bay, the cold I had a switch. I was on the 7D and I had so many issues filming myself. If you want to ease your life as making content for yourself, get a flip out screen, a camera with a flip. You gotta know what's going on. You have to. Hope you learned a little bit about developing color film. It can definitely save you some money, and it's not that intimidating. It's getting it to temperature that is kind of the freaky part of it, but then running the numbers and doing the times is pretty easy. I hope you give it a try. Think about subscribing if this is new to you. I'm glad you're here. We're gonna go over scanning and a bunch of different stuff in the future. So hit the bell, be notified, and I hope to see you again. Peace.